define metabolism. So we've got a few metabolisms, metabolism being one of them. It's an enzyme catalyzed reactions in a cell. It's the totality of an organism's chemical reactions. Definition of metabolism is learning. Key term, learn the key term, define the key term as outlined in your IB specification, and you will be able to answer any of the keyword questions. The definitions are quite critical, especially for biology, and getting the order and the keywords included in them correct. Then we have identify. So this is quite a low level question. The following processes as either anabolism or catabolism. So you need to be able to define anabolism and define catabolism if you're going to be able to answer this. So anabolism is when we are synthesizing, when we are making, when we are building. Catabolism is when we are breaking down, when we are deconstructing. We then have photosynthesis and glycolysis, which I would hope that you would be able to explain in detail how photosynthesis builds and how glycolysis breaks down. Now, just in terms of language, you might be able to answer this question even if you're not sure. Anabolism, if we know that anabolism is synthesis, if we know that it's building up, if we know that it's constructing. Synthesis, photosynthesis. So we are synthesizing and making things, therefore it will be anabolism. And glycolysis, when we have lysis meaning to break down, to split apart, that's going to be catabolism because we are deconstructing something. Describe the cell respiration in terms of metabolism. So both anabolism and catabolism, and respiration is not indicated as one of the processes at the top. So respiration in terms of synthesis and breakdown. Enzymes control the reactions. Energy is released from complex molecules. So we have that release of energy, and it's used to make ATP. And respiration is catabolic. It takes glucose and breaks it down into carbon dioxide and water. So it's a breakdown. If it's a breakdown, that's part of the catabolism that goes with the respiration.